Welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OneSub support team. In this video, I will show you how to create, duplicate, and manage booking pages in your OneSub account. Booking pages are powerful and flexible tools that let your customers schedule meetings with you. They can be used with or without event types, depending on your setup. So OneSub automatically creates one booking page per user, but you can create additional pages as needed for your team or organization. If you are an administrator on your OneSub account or a member with right permissions enabled in your profile, you will be able to create booking pages. So let's start and see how to create a booking page. In your OneSub account, click on the booking pages section in the left sidebar. Then to create a new booking page from scratch, click on the plus icon next to booking pages. Fill in the parameters such as public name, internal label, public link, set a owner for this booking page, and add editors if required. Select the event types that you want to offer via this booking page. You can also choose an image that will be displayed on the booking page. Once done, click on Save and Edit. This will create a booking page and take you to the overview section where you can refine it more. To save some time and create a duplicate, you can simply click on the three dots next to the booking page that you want to duplicate and select the duplicate option. Fill in the parameters and simply create a new page. If you would like to just delete the booking page, you can click on the three dots and then select the delete option, confirm the deletion, and the booking page will be deleted. So that's how you create, duplicate, and manage booking pages in the OneSub account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.